ఈ రోజుల్లో ఏఐ అనేది చాలా విజృంభిస్తుందండి. చాలా అడ్వాన్స్ లెవెల్‌లో ఉంది. అండ్ ఏఐ అనంగానే అందరికీ తెలుసు ఆర్టిఫిషియల్ ఇంటెలిజెన్స్ ఎన్ని రంగాలకు నిజంగా హెల్ప్‌ఫుల్ అవుతుందో తెలియలేదు. ఒక చిన్న వీడియో చేయాలంటే కూడా ఏఐ కొంచెం నాకు ఇట్లా హెల్ప్ అనగానే ఆ టైప్‌లో మనకు ఆ వీడియో కానీ ఏమైనా క్లిప్స్ ఇస్తుంది, స్టోరీ రైటింగ్ ఇస్తుంది. ఒక్క పనిలో కాదు, ఒక రంగంలో కాదు, అన్ని రంగాలలో కూడా విజృంభిస్తుంది ఇట్లా. అప్పట్లో కంప్యూటర్ అయితే ఎంతైతే ఇంపార్టెంట్ అన్నారో అలాగే ఈ రోజుల్లో టెక్నాలజీ చాలా యూస్ఫుల్ అవుతుంది. కాబట్టి స్కూల్ పిల్లలని అడ్వాన్స్గా తీసుకొని చాలామంది ఏం చేస్తున్నారంటే ఏఐ టెక్నాలజీని కూడా ఇంట్రడక్షన్ చేసి పిల్లలకు నేర్పిస్తున్నారన్నమాట. దానివల్ల ఎన్ని ఉపయోగాలు ఉన్నాయి, ఎలా చేసుకోవచ్చు, ఎలా చెయ్యాలి, దాని ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ ఎట్లా అనేసి సో మన స్టూడెంట్స్కి కూడా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తున్నారండి. వాళ్ళు రేపు చాలామంది అడ్వాన్స్లో ఉన్నారు ఏఐ టెక్నాలజీ తోటి. అండ్ మా ఇంట్లో మా బాబు కూడా చాలా ఏఐని అప్పుడప్పుడు అడుగుతుంటాడు, వాట్ స్టోరీ ఐ వాంట్ వన్ స్టోరీ, ఎలా చెయ్యాలి అనగానే కూడా చూపిస్తుంది. సో చాలా బాగా అనిపిస్తుంది. అయితే ఒక సంస్థ ముందుకు వచ్చిందండి. ఆ సంస్థ పేరే గ్లోబెంట్ ఇండియా స్టెమ్ రోబోటిక్స్ అండ్ ఏఐ. ఈ గ్లోబల్ ఇండియా సంస్థ తెలంగాణ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్తో కలిసి హైదరాబాద్ స్టెమ్ రోబోటిక్స్ అండ్ ఏఐ ల్యాబ్స్ ఏర్పాటు చేసింది. తొలి దశలోనే సిద్ధార్థ హై స్కూల్ నియర్ ఇందిరా పార్క్ వాళ్ళకి ఇంట్రడక్షన్ చేసింది. అలాగే నాంపల్లి స్కూల్ సెయింట్ ఆల్బర్ట్ స్కూల్ అండి అది పేరు. దీంట్లో ఆధునిక రోబోటిక్స్ ల్యాబ్లని ప్రారంభించారు. ఈ ల్యాబ్ ద్వారా విద్యార్థులకి కోచింగ్, రోబోటిక్ తయారీ, కృత్రిమ మేధస్సు, ఏఐ ఆటోమేషన్, ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ వంటి ఆధునిక నైపుణ్యాలతో బోధించనున్నారు. ఈ కార్యక్రమంలో ప్రోగ్రామింగ్లో ప్రతిభ కనపరిచిన విద్యార్థులకి నేషనల్ రోబోటిక్స్ ఛాంపియన్షిప్ 2026 కోసం ఎలెక్ట్ చేయనున్నారు. దేశంలో పలు నగరాల నుండి విద్యార్థులను ఈ పోటీలో పాల్గొననున్నారు. ప్రారంభోత్సవానికి ముఖ్య అతిథిగా పాయల్ రాజ్పాల్, డైరెక్టర్ రోబోటిక్ ఇండియా సౌత్ ఏషియా రోబోటిక్స్ ఇంటర్నేషనల్.
of agri-tech, which means technology in agriculture, agri-tech, that is what it's called. So everyone knows fertilizers, pesticides are put on pesticides on the plants, which means the human health is not spoiled. Okay, then you can create a robot. If you have a poor common man has a small field, doesn't have money to buy cow or cattle, you can make a robot to sow the seed. If there are only fewer people in the field, but you have to check the development of the crop, how do you do it, you can have a robot. Moisture, right, when you put the seeds, the moisture level is very important. It should not be very wet, it should not be very dry. Farmers have to keep touching it. Our students have created a moisture sensor with robotics, which can tell beeping what is the temperature. Rainfall, forecast of rainfall has been done by a robot. So the full agriculture cycle can be done by the means of it. Yeah? So, is it okay if I go now and I come back again? Next time? Yes? Yeah? Thank you.
You make the questions, okay? Next time madam will visit now.
No. They will make the questions
Yeah.
and you will submit it to sir, okay? With today's date and month and year. 7th November 2025. Then I will visit again in your summer vacations and I will see what you have created as technology to solve those.
But
Okay?
that ma'am is asking the question, you have to tell the answers.
Okay? Come in, take on.
Once more. जरा जोर से.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, children, say R for What is everyone studying? What is your name? Mokshit. Oh, shit. What is your name? And what subject are you learning? English. Oh wow! Write a paragraph about Sachin Tendulkar. You know, he is my favorite cricketer. Do you all know him? Or you all only know Virat Kohli? You know him? Okay, good. So, who wants to be a cricketer when you grow up? Yeah? You also? You watched the match? The girls team won it? Yeah? That was super. Very good. And how many people want to work in a computer company and build something? Yeah? Engineers? Only I'm also an engineer. Yeah? So we started a robotics computer lab in your school, and I really want to see everybody there making something. What do you want to do? You want to build a house? Yes. What? Like you want to design? Oh, you want to design office spaces, and you want to make the design on a computer? So that should be your project. Okay? Remember that.
Design
You
a
design
rocket.
a rocket. Very good. So you know, this year at the robotics national championship, they were college students, and they had themselves built rocket. Their team was called Rocketry. Okay, so they had built this full metal body. They had given the fuel and the power and everything, and it was lift off. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, like that. Yeah. So you know about ISRO? You know about NASA? Only NASA. ISRO is India. NASA is America. You should learn about ISRO. We just sent a big rocket in space, the heaviest rocket ever. Yeah. You know about it? No. Okay. Read. Everybody should. Everybody is on Google.
Yes.
How many on Snapchat?
No.
Instagram. Now today for me, one small task. Go on Instagram and write ISRO, ISRO, okay? And see the video. This really biggest heavy rocket ever was launched by India. I want you to see it. Okay? What is your name? Arush. So you want to be a scientist or an engineer? Yes. Both things alag hai. One is scientist.
What do you want to
One is
become?
engineer.
Scientist or engineer?
One is astronaut. And the fourth is to work in ISRO. ISRO, so you become an engineer and work in ISRO. You remember us? What? Everything you all want to do on the, laptops and build projects, okay? You better make a rocket to show me next year. Okay? The stomach is rumbling now. Lunch break, and I am holding you at the lunch break. Okay, so have you started?
Yes, I'm started.
Yes. So have you all done some activity on the computer yet? Yes. Are you excited?
Yes.
How will you feel if everyone has one laptop to work with? Nice?
Yes.
So we will make that happen very soon. So everyone has one laptop to work with. What will you all do on the laptop? Tell me. Huh? Rocket? He also wants to make a rocket. You also want to make a rocket. Amazing. Okay, what else will you guys do on the laptop?
I will study.
You will study. Studying is very boring. Don't study on the laptop.
Making coding.
Coding? Awesome. What about you?
Making backgrounds and stuff.
Making backgrounds and stats. Okay. And
What are you learning?
then scientist?
Scientist.
Nobody?
Nobody want to become scientist.
Okay. Then teacher?
Okay.
Robotics National Championship. So you will spend, 5-6 months learning robotics, coding, AI, all of that, and then we'll see you winning the national championship.
Right.
So our project with Siddhartha High School is a long-term project. It is sponsored by, it's a CSR sponsorship by Globant India. And what we aim to bring to the school as a value add is not only a technology lab which will educate the students on AI, robotics, IT, design thinking, but also help them to learn life skills, which are very important for a future entrepreneur, for bridging the education to employment gap. So we are looking at, life skills, which are cognitive thinking, team building, communication skills, confidence of students that we want to harness and build via the medium of this robotics and AI lab. And what we have as a plan for the future is we want exposure for the students in national, state level championships. Next year at the robotics championship, we will have students from Siddhartha High School participating, and the winners of podium will then progress to Robotics International, which will be held in Europe. We want to get scholarships activated for students after 10th grade for their higher studies. So we want to build an entire ecosystem which is equitable, a society which is, democratized when we talk about equality and education for all, with the end goal being these students becoming successful entrepreneurs, successful employers with, mainstream, large IT, agriculture, medicine fields is the aim and the vision mission that we have here. And very glad to be here at the school today with such supportive principals and school management, because the only way the children and the school succeed in an initiative like ours is when we have full support from the management. So very, very grateful for them. And I met some fantastic, bright students today who were vivid and they were bursting with enthusiasm and had the most amazing, thoughtful questions for me about technology, about the future, about disruptive skills of the world. And I really like to see these children win those podiums and make it to the news next year. So thank you for having me.